Hummus has become a global product, from the Mediterranean to North American supermarkets. Demand for it grows every year, and with it, the requirements for quality and texture consistency. Producers face a logical question: how can they scale up without losing flavor? How can you ensure consistent quality in large batches when production becomes continuous? This is where choosing the right equipment comes to the forefront, allowing you to stabilize the process and avoid technological bottlenecks.
The main challenge in industrial hummus production is its high viscosity. Standard grinders can't handle the load, and using separate mixers and transport systems extends the production cycle and increases losses. In such conditions, it is crucial that the equipment operates reliably and does not overheat the product, as this affects both taste and nutritional value. CLM colloid mills solve this problem. They grind chickpeas together with liquid while still hot, when the grain structure is at its softest. Thanks to this, we achieve maximum homogeneity and preserve the natural taste of the product.
One of the biggest advantages of the mill is that it combines several technological stages in a single cycle. There is no need for separate mixers, transfer pumps, or additional tanks. This significantly reduces the risk of cross-contamination and simplifies production process planning. And it also saves a significant amount of space in the workshop, which is important for small and medium-sized producers. The CLM mill creates product circulation through the rotor stator unit on its own, while the ingredients, tahini, olive oil, lemon juice, are mixed directly during the grinding process. This is not just grinding, it's homogenization down to the micron level, which ensures consistent quality in every batch. And this kind of repeatability is critical for brands that work with retail chains. For producers, this means more than just high-quality hummus. It means predictability, repeatability, and product stability even during long-term storage. The packaging remains attractive, the texture stays smooth, and the taste is consistent across all batches. This is a factor that significantly influences the trust of retailers and end consumers. We achieve a texture that does not separate and does not lose its creaminess. And for many manufacturers, this is precisely the key indicator of technological quality. That is why CLM mills are often chosen by companies that want to reach a new level and work with exports.
The mill is made of high-quality stainless steel and fully complies with the sanitary standards of the food industry. This ensures easy cleaning and the possibility of integration into modern lines with CIP washing. CLM can operate continuously, which is important for large production batches. The high reliability of the design allows it to work with thick masses without the risk of component wear, and the adjustable gap makes it possible to achieve any texture, from coarse to perfectly silky. This makes the mill a versatile solution for producers of hummus of various styles and recipes. As a result, we get a system that operates reliably under high loads and ensures consistent quality in any conditions. We are seeing growth in the hummus market in the USA, Canada, Europe, and Australia. Companies are actively investing in production lines as the demand for healthy plant-based products increases every year. And it is precisely the manufacturers who modernize their equipment in time that take leading positions in the market. This is a pattern we observe in different countries and segments. CLM colloid mills make it possible to do this quickly and with minimal risks. They adapt to different production volumes and are easily integrated into existing technological processes. This way, companies can scale up without complex reconstructions or expensive line modifications.
The main thing is the economics. Less equipment, fewer transfers between tanks, less product loss. This immediately affects the production cost, and therefore, the company's competitiveness. Moreover, CLM mills allow manufacturers to quickly test new recipes without stopping the main production flow. This provides an advantage in flexibility when the market demands new flavors and formats, which means faster production launches, fewer defective batches, and better margins. GlobeCore works with enterprises in more than 100 countries. We see different requests, different scales, and different requirements. And each time, we adapt our solutions to the specific client. If you are planning to improve your hummus production, check out the technical specifications of our colloid mills on our website, www.globecore.com.